how to fix this story is unavailable on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will guide you through the steps on how you can solve if Instagram says that this story is unavailable. So make sure to watch the video till the end. So let's say that you open up Instagram and then you go to someone's certain story, but then it simply says that the story is not available. Now, one of the reasons that this happens is, first of all, you have to make sure to check your internet connection. And after you make sure that you check your internet connection, refresh the Instagram app like this and then just try to play that story. If it still says the story is unavailable, then it simply means that story could have been deleted by the other user. So in this case, you will not be able to do anything because the story has been deleted from the other person. You'd have to contact them manually and then let them know about the story, and then they will be able to re-upload the story, because this issue is not from Instagram or from you, it is coming from the other person because they have happened to delete it. This way you should be able to solve if Instagram says that this story is unavailable. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.